Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset the Dreame D10 Plus Gen 2 robot vac. If you're interested in this product, the link to it will be in the video description, so be sure to check it out there. So looking at the top of our D10 Plus Gen 2, lift up the cover, and we have a Wi-Fi indicator light here, little icon, and then we have a reset button. It's a teeny tiny button, so grab something like a SIM removal tool, paper clip, and you'll want to press and hold this button down until you hear the factory reset voice prompt. So we're going to hold it down.
Restoring to factory settings.
Restoring to factory settings. We'll give it a second here. LED lights are still on. We'll hear a chime again when it's complete. It takes around a minute or so. Little more, little less. And that's it. We have the chime. The vacuum has been reset. Simple and straightforward.